Hello, welcome to my channel, English for 5 minutes. Today we are going to learn about how to say time in English. What time is it? It is 12 o'clock. Sometimes when you say 12 p.m., it means midday or noon. Or when people say 12 a.m., it means midnight. It is 1:05 or it's 5 after 1. It's 1:15 or 15 minutes after 1 or quarter after 1. Why is it called quarter? Because 1 hour equals 260 minutes and 50 minutes is 1/4 of 60 minutes. So it is a quarter of 1 hour. It is 1:20 or it's 20 after 1. It is 1:30 or it's 1:30. Why is it called half? Because 1 hour equals 260 minutes. So 30 minutes is half of an hour. It is 1:35 or 25 to 2. 2 in the sentence above means before. So it is 25 before 2. It is 1:40 or 22 to. It is 1:45 or quarter to 2 or 50 minutes before 2. It is 1:55 or 5 to 2. So, now you just finished learning about time. Thank you so much for learning with me. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.